Spend less money than you make and learn how to invest the difference. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, the reason why I want to talk about this in today's video is because that has been one of the things that has helped me out the most, especially with my investing journey. Now, I'm going to talk about this in today's video for a reason. Because there's so many people that's still programmed in a certain way to think that they cannot teach themselves how to build wealth. Now, first things first, you got to realize that nobody on this planet is going to come and save you from you. And a lot of the financial beliefs that people may have stem from other people. They stem from your childhood, they stem from your parents, they stem from your friends, they stem from your family, they stem from what you see on TV, the programming, the news. All of it is programming, right? And there's a certain frequency and vibration that they like to keep people in, which is fear. The fear of not being good enough, the fear of not making enough money, the fear of something not being obtainable for them, but being obtainable for somebody else. So they keep you distracted. They keep you distracted with television, entertainment, sports. They keep you distracted with bullshit. And we fall for it. They also keep you distracted because they want you. Who are they? They are the people that create these things, which is the most expensive items, the latest cars, the jewelry, all this extra stuff. So they put these price tags on these items, which is materialistic things that can easily be replaced. They put these price tags on these items, and then you purchase it as the consumer, and you think that that is how you build wealth. The same way that you watch unlimited PMO videos and you release your seed and you think that that is helping you. So they keep people in a cycle that people aren't even able to see. You do not build wealth by looking like you're rich. You build wealth by owning assets. You build your energy by holding on to your energy. A lot of things that they keep away from people is put in a book. And they know that people don't like to read. You could listen to an audio book. You could watch all the YouTube videos in the world about how to make money, how to save money, how to do this, how to do that, how to. But them people that you're watching ain't gonna save you. You gotta be the savior of yourself. And we all got the capability enough to do it. Whether you work a W-2 job, you work a 1099, you are a business owner, you are whatever. We all gotta save more money, spend it less than what we make, and invest what's left over. The term pay yourself first is very powerful. Because we pay everybody else, but we don't pay ourselves. And then you're basically left with nothing because you forget about yourself. Nobody didn't put in the work for you. You put in the work. So you might as well pay yourself first, whether you save the money or you invest the money. Now, the only way that we gonna really build wealth, like I said, is by owning assets, because we put our money in a savings account, the money is gonna give us 0.01%. Or let's just say you open up a high yield savings account, you might get 4%, you might get 5%. That's cool. But why settle for just that? Why not try to get more? There's nothing wrong with it. Somebody could say their house is an asset because they could sell the house, but somebody has to buy the house. The tool that I admire the most is the stock market, because these are businesses that you can own, and you can teach yourself how to make money outside of your job. Now, why people don't want to do it, because they don't feel like they don't have the... A lot of people don't have the capability enough to do it, but they would rather give their money to Gucci, to Louis Vuitton, to the clubs, to NBA 2K, to PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 6, whenever that shit comes out. Like, so they would rather make the companies rich, but forget about themselves. And in order for you to break the cycle, you have to see the cycle that you are in. Now, it took me years of my life to even realize how programmed I was. When I had my spiritual awakening at 25, I learned to reprogram my mind. I learned to detach from a lot of different things. I learned to create my own beliefs. Now I've created a YouTube channel. We got over a million views. I got a stock market portfolio. I've been able to create income because I've learned how to pay myself first. Do I got to pay bills just like you? Yeah. Do I got to eat? Yes. Do I got to take care of things? Yes. But I still make sure to pay myself first. Because I'm the one that's putting in the work for the money. I learned to put myself first. Because if I don't, then who will? And I love talking about this because I want to add value to people's lives. If I know that I can help you make more money, then I'm helping myself. I'm not selfish. Yo! You understand what I'm saying? I want to help as many people as I can. At the end of the day, only you're going to save yourself. Spend less than you make and invest the rest of the money. That is how you're going to learn how to live below your means. And then we got to teach ourselves how to make more money. Because we're always going to circulate the money into the economy. But we have to learn how to bring the money back in. Because we're money magnets. Same thing with retaining your essence. You got to learn how to cultivate the energy. It don't matter how many times you fall down. That shit don't matter. Get up. Get up. Keep pushing. Challenge yourself. Make it happen. This is just a quick video for the YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Give today's video a thumbs up. Tonight's video a thumbs up. Merry Christmas to anybody out there that's celebrating Christmas. I know this year Christmas is for my nephew. Spend some time with the family. Spend some time with my lady. And then back to the grind on Thursday. Alright? I know I need a haircut too. But my barber, he went upstate. So I gotta wait. But yeah. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Thomas Carter. TC Talk, TC Fitness. Free Discord. Free Telegram chat in the pink comment section below. And I'll be back at it with some more videos. Yeah.